wind is the sun, so the wind can blow all the sun out, so the wind can come back, and so that's why the sun has to do like the vents.
Oh, okay.
So the vent has to go onto the vent, side to side to side. So they have to go right to the vents, over there, to there, to there, to there. So if the wind goes over there, that means they got a windy day.
Okay.
And if they gotta go over there, then that's what the bus driver says.
Oh, okay.
And I learned the song about it. If you have a windy day, if you have a windy day, use the vent or the tree or the sun, or you can win the moon. If you need a sun.
That was a nice song, Layla. Can I get a high five?
Yes.
I wish I recorded that one.